In this section, we will learn about quotation management on inventory. Now, here, as you can see, that quotation management is an important part wherein you can share professional quotations with your client, which includes all the unit details, pricing information, and payment plan, which will help you to move ahead and book a unit accordingly. Now, please note, quotation management or the quotation option will be available for all the leads which are interested and above in status. Here, you can select the desired inventory which you want to generate a quotation. Once you select the unit, on the unit details page, you will be able to see all the information such as unit number, configuration, carpet area, balcony area. Under pricing, you will be able to see basic charges, which is generally base price or any floor rise price, or any other charges such as stamp duty fee, maintenance charges, which has been already added by the inventory owner. Also here, while generating the quotation, you can add the discount. First is any absolute value. Basis the approval, you can update that. Also, you have an option to give any percentage of discount. And once you apply the discount, you can move ahead in selecting the payment plan. Now, generally, there can be multiple payment plans as per the configuration done by the inventory owner. You can select the desired payment plan, which will have all the information in terms of milestone and what is the amount that needs to be paid. You can select the payment plan, and here, as you can see at the bottom, there is a generate quote or a create quote option. Once you click on create quote, it will ask whether you want to edit or move ahead in generating the quotation. Click on generate quote, and an email will be sent on your official email ID where you will be able to see the quotation in a PDF format. You can view the quotation and share it with the client. Allow me a second to open and show the quotation as well. Now, on the email, there will be an option to view the PDF of the quotation. It will have all the information like the unit details, the pricing information, and the payment plan. And once you have the quotation in the PDF format, you can share it with your client as per your requirement. Now, please note two things which are important in quotation management. First is you can only create a quote for a client which is in interested status and above. You can add discounts for any quotation in which the status is final negotiation and above. Also, going ahead, if you want to move or if you want to see any quotation, you can just click on the lead page. Here you will have an option to see the quotation. Click on the view quotation option and it will take you to the quotation which has been already generated by you. In any scenario, if you want to create new quotation, it can be let's say the pricing is not been discussed or any other payment plan needs to be changed. You can click on the new create quotation option. It will again give you an option to select the details, add the discount, select the payment plan, and then you can click on create quote and generate quote. The new quotation will be generated accordingly. Also, while creating a quotation, in case if you want to edit any information in the pricing section, you have an option. You can click on this edit button over here. This will give you an access to edit the pricing of individual components as per your requirement. You can add any discount value as per your discussion with your site head or the manager. And once you have added any discount value, that will be applied to that particular quotation and click on done. Here you will be able to see the new pricing with the added discount, and then you can move ahead in selecting the payment plan and create quote and generate quote. And once you have the quotation, you can share it with the client also. Now let us see how you can book a unit for any client who is interested in blocking it. Now there are two scenarios which you look at, so you'll have a better understanding of different ways of booking a unit. First one is, let's say you have already blocked a unit for any of your client. You can click on the lead. Here you'll be able to see inventory. Under inventory, you'll be able to see the blocked unit. You can click on view quotation and it will take you to the unit info page. Once you're on the unit info page, here you'll be able to see all the unit details, the pricing information, and the payment plan. And at the bottom, there is a book now option. You can click on book now. It will take you to the booking info page. Here, all the details of the unit will auto populate. You can add the booking date. You can also add the expected closure date. You can add any notes. Here there is a upload document option. Let's say you want to add any information pertaining to that particular booking, like a sales confirmation form, a cancel check, or a booking form. You can add the same and click on finish upload. And you can add any co-applicant as well. In few scenarios, if there are multiple buyers, you can add the co-applicant. It's not mandatory as of now, but you can add the details. And once you have updated the details properly, click on update booking info, and the booking details will be added in that particular lead. You can share a lead for approval as well. Basically, clicking on send for approval, you can share the lead, which is a dual metrics, a level 1 and level 2. They will receive the first, the level 1 will have an option to approve or reject the booking. And if the booking is approved, then the level 2 will have the same option. So ensure that all the details which are updating are correctly updated. Now let us look at another way of booking a unit. You can click on any lead which wants to book the unit. Here you will have a view inventory option. You can click on view inventory to access all the inventory information. You can click on the inventory you want to view and book. Now here I'm selecting an available inventory and proceeding further with booking the unit. Now under the view details option, I have an option to see the unit details, the basing pricing, and there is an option to see the payment plan as well. Now at the bottom, there is a book now option. You can click on book now. And as you can see, all the info has auto-populated like the unit number, floor number, carpet area, and the pricing. You can update the booking date. You can update the expected allotment date. You can add any documents as per your requirement. And once you have updated the details, click on update booking info and your booking has been successfully created. Now here you can send any booking for approval as well. Click on send for approval and you can track the details of any booking which is sent for approval. Now currently this is awaiting at level 1. Once it is approved, then it will show as awaiting at level 2. Also, if you want to remove any booking where you have added the inventory and booked the inventory, you can click on that lead. Here there is a cancel and remove booking option. You can click on it and then you can remove the booking and the inventory will be released. Alternatively, in any inventory which you have booked, if you want to mark the lead as failed, that can be done. And once you mark the lead as failed, again the inventory will be released back to the pool.